So let us understand what equity mutual funds are taxed at and how can you basically get a tax benefit from investing in equity mutual funds. So before we get into the details of taxation on mutual fund, let us understand the concept of capital gains. In mutual fund, capital gain is nothing but the profit arising from the sale of holding. From the taxation point of view, depending on the duration of mutual fund, capital gains can be classified either as short-term capital gains or long-term capital gains. Short-term capital gain is where your holding period is less than 1 year, and for an individual or HUF, you are taxed at 15% plus cess plus surcharge. Long-term capital gain is where your holding for an equity mutual fund is more than 1 year, and your taxation structure is you're exempt if you're up to 1 lakh. Any gains more than 1 lakh, you're taxed at 10% plus cess plus surcharges. Then for any dividend distribution taxes, you're taxed as per your tax slab, which is as per your income tax slab, and 4% cess and then an additional surcharge. Now, this was for your normal equity mutual funds. For ELSS schemes, ELSS is basically a mutual fund category where 65% or more of the portfolio is invested in equity towards your equity linked securities, and they have a certain exposure even to your fixed income. These funds are specially categorized as ELSs and they have a lock-in period of 3 years, and they give you a benefit in terms of your ATC up to 1,50,000. Major features of ELSs are A, they give you tax deduction of 1,50,000 under the section ATC. ELSS schemes also come in with a lock-in period of 3 years, as already discussed. You can invest in ELSs as much as you want. There is no capping, but the minimum or the tax deduction for it is only up till 1,50,000 that you can avail for. ELSS also gives you a better opportunity in terms of wealth creation. The portfolio of an ELSS fund, as discussed, consists of equities and also has a certain exposure to fixed income. So while investment in ELSS gives you your ATC, it also helps you to create wealth because they are invested in direct equity by way of mutual fund. So you not only create a better alpha over and above your other ATC options, but you also have a lower capping or a lower lock-in period of 3 years. So that is broadly how ELSs are classified.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.